Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to talk about averages and what they don't mean today. I chose this example from a student, and I did get his permission. This is from Michael Goggins. He did this for another mini project where he used it perfectly appropriately, but I want to talk about a way that you can use information like this inappropriately. So he's got here the number of positive COVID patients and the population of several cities in the country he chose for his mini project. So what you could calculate for each city is the probability that you would get COVID. Now, because these are going to be very small numbers, instead of looking at the probability, I'm going to go with the percentage. So I'll multiply by 100. So the percentage would be the probability or the number of positive cases divided by the population, and then because I'm doing percentage times 100. And we can see that the numbers vary quite drastically from one city to the next. Now here is the inappropriate way to find the average, because average does not necessarily mean mean. Average means typical. And if you find the average, these numbers, you get 0.219. The way that you should actually find the typical is by adding all these up. So in these, I think we have 10 cities. There are a total of 6,569 positive cases. And over 3 million people in the population. So the actual probability from this sample of 10 cities is the number of total COVID positives divided by the total population, and again, because I'm looking at percents, times 100. And we get 0.201, or pardon me, 0.206. That is the actual typical amount. It is not 0.2187. I don't have a one-size-fits-all answer, but I would say generally speaking, if you're dealing in something that can be expressed as a percent, you need to think twice about how you take the average and how you calculate the average. It may not be the average command in Excel.